Hi, this RGB color notation developed earlier using HTML. So what I will do now is, let me take you guys straight into Notepad++ and we'll put one of these together, and you'll see how I've managed to put it together, making it look like a gradient, color gradients. So let's do that now. Okay guys, we're going to start by defining or entering the tag for HTML, and let's enter head, then let's enter the title, and we can just call that RGB color, and close your title there. The next thing I would define is the body of the program right there. That's the body. Now let me get some of the, I'm going to get the title that I intend to use. Let's get that centered and make it bold. B for bold, and maybe underline it. U is to underline, and let's go for H1. That is for the font. And my title in this case, let's come down here and say paragraph. Okay, less than and greater than, and you say less than P and greater than, that will give you a paragraph. Then let's go for RGB color notation. Okay, so all of these that I have in here, I'm now going to close them all up. Let's bring them here and just close it all. Okay, close that and close that. So the next thing I want to do is, I will now define a table. Okay, that's how you create a table. I suppose you guys know that. And maybe we should enter a border, table border. Let's make that too. And let me define a width for my table. So the width is going to be approximately 1934 there. Okay, now we can close everything off here. Close up the body right underneath here. Let's close up the head as well. Copy that, paste, and close up the HTML there. Let's close the table as well. Copy and just paste it there. Now, so enter the / and get it all closed. So that is out of the way. Now the next thing we want to do is, let's define the role of the table. TR, that's for role. Now I need my that should be the column. So inside this very column, I will then enter horizontal rule and make the size of this horizontal rule equals to, let's go for 40 here, and set the color equals, I'm going to be using the RGB color like I said earlier on. So for red, that will be FF000. That is for red. Okay, so we can close off the column, and let's close off the row as well, and just try this out and you guys will see what I'm talking about. But before then, let's save it. I will just call that RGB color.html there. So that's the name of my project. If I go to launch the Explorer, that is what you guys will see, because FF000, that should be 4 zeros really, that will give you red. So all I just need to do now is to copy all of these. Okay, you can see right from here. Okay, copy from the TD to where the TD was closed, copy that and paste it right in here. That would be for the blue. In the case of blue, all you just need to do is move this FF, move it centered. Okay, you can just right in there, FF, make it centered. Now to get the green, so that is the green, RGB, that's the green, this is the green color. Now to get the blue itself, we will now come in here, that will be 0000FF. That should give us the blue. So if I save it and run it for you guys, there, so we have red, green and blue. Now what I want to achieve is to achieve what is known as radial gradient. Okay, so meaning we will get black and so on, and the whole thing will just give us a gradient look. So to do that, I'll copy all of these, come down here, paste. Now this rule, I will change this to E, and double E here, double E here. Okay, come right down. The next letter will be D, double D, another double D, another double D here. If you guys still remember the hexadecimal color notation, okay, let me just put that in here in form of a comment. Hexadecimal color notation, if you guys remember, it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have A, B, C, D, E, F. That is the color notation. Alright, there. Okay, I suppose you guys can still recollect that. So, and that's what I'm working with here. So the next thing is to copy this again and paste it right underneath here and change it. This in this case will be C, double C, and another double C here and double C. Let's save it and show you guys what we've done so far. Come in here, there you can see the color is taking, the colors are now going from dark to light. So let's speed it up and you guys see what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the first part of it. Let me move this up so that you can see it. Alright, taking the, now taking shape, looking like a gradient. That's it. Okay, I will now copy all. Let's copy all and just speed it all up. Let me explain something before speeding it all up. I've taken care of A to F. Okay, you can see F and up to A. The next one is to take care of 9 up to 0. So copy all of these right underneath here, paste that and change this letter to 9. Change this as well to 9. Then the next one would be 8. 8, followed by 7, 7, 7, and 7. There. So I would now speed it up. Let's save it so that you see what I've done before I speed it up. Okay, right there, you see that, guys? So let me speed it up. Okay guys, I've actually speeded up. You can see from 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, and so on up to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, as you all know is black. Let's work on making it lighter. Okay, you can see right from underneath here is dark and it get lighter, but we need to make it more lighter. So to achieve that, what we can do is, you see right here, this is the beginning of the RGB color notation itself. So this is supposed to be for red, that is meant to be green and blue. So what we need to do is copy all of this. At the end of the day, what we want to end up with is going to be, let's see, that should be D's, no, E's. Okay, let's make it capital so that you guys can see. That'll be 4 E's, another 4 E there. There's 2 E's here, another 2 E's here. If I save it now, this is just to show you what it's going to look like. Look at that, it looks almost white. Okay, so what I want to do now is just to walk on it downwards. The one that will be right on top, really, that will be FFF. Okay, if this is EEE, this will end up becoming the F's. So let's do that. For that, F's, and we have, yeah, that's fine. This is FFF here. There. Now the one that will be right underneath here will be DDD. 4 D's here. Okay, now let's save it, run it, and see what we've done so far. And you can see the gradual changes of the colors. So let's do 1 or 2 more so that you guys have a feel of it, so that you can get the hang of it right away. Now the next one will be C's. And 2 C's here as well. Another C. Let's go for B. Then we have B's here. Another one here. Then let's go for A. Then we have A's here. Okay, now the number side of it, copy that again and paste it there. Now, and let's go for the numbers. So the first number will be zeros. Okay, we already have the zeros. Yeah, that's the zeros. Then the next one should be ones. So this one will be and another. Okay, so let's save this and you guys see what we've done so far. There you can see the gradual lightening of the colors. So what I would then do is just speed it up and get back to you guys. Okay guys, we finished the coding, so let me just show you the final product. This is how the lines of code look like. Have a good look at it. Just mostly it's all about changing the colors. There, let's go to the next set of colors, and the next one, it's more or less like the finish. It is the finished product really. So have a look at it right there. And this way, the previous one, the one we have on the previous tutorial, and that's it. So if I run the program, you can always pause and have a good look at the lines of codes. So let's run the program now. We have to save it first. Save, run. Let's select. Alright, look at that. This is how it all looks now. You can see the gradual lightening of the colors. Okay, let's take it from the bottom right there. You see how dark it is here? That's 000 black. And if you take it up there, and that's how you use the RGB color notation to create something. I would call it maybe a gradient, color gradient. Okay, so with that, I'm going to leave you guys with this. I suppose you all enjoyed. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.